Which color is at the bottom of the rainbow? Violet. What does the first A in NASA stand for? Aeronautics. Which fish can crawl on wet land briefly? Mud skipper. Which accidental invention became useful for sticking notes? Post-it notes. Who was the first African-American president of the USA? Barack Obama. Which animal can change sex naturally during life? Clownfish. How many dots are there in total on 2 dice? $42. Which object was inspired by the shape of bird wings? Airplane. How many set of teeth do humans grow in their lifetime? Two. Which country built artificial islands shaped like palm trees? United Arab Emirates. Which country makes BMW, Audi, and Mercedes? Germany. Which country holds presidential election every 7 years? Ireland. Which metallic material melts from body heat in our hand? Gallium. Which animal uses clicks to see underwater? Toothed whale. How many colors are on the flag of Uzbekistan? Four. Which Olympic sport includes foil competition? Fencing. What does WWE stand for? World Wrestling Entertainment. What does the organization PETA protect? Animals. How many sides does a trapezoid have? Four. Which country built ski slopes inside shopping complexes? United Arab Emirates. Which sea animal blows bubble rings while playing? Dolphin. How many holes are there in a 10-pin bowling ball? Three. Which ancient tool helped sailors find direction at sea? Magnetic compass. Which plant traps insect for nutrient? Venus flytrap. Which country has the highest water consumption rates per capita? Turkmenistan. Which fire spreads fastest during strong winds? Grass fire. Which city claimed the #1 spot among the happiest city in the world? Copenhagen. Which of the following fruit naturally float on water? Coconut. Which animal has transparent blood when cold? Ice fish. Which country uses geothermal pools to heat homes? Iceland. Which process slowly turns rock into sand? Weathering. Which tiny creatures produce much of Earth's oxygen? Phytoplankton. Which shape is strongest in many bridge design? Triangle. Which fabric naturally changes appearance in light? Silk. Which animal moves its ears like radar dishes? Fox. Which reflex happens before pain is processed? Spinal reflex. Which country built floating schools for floods? Bangladesh. How many milligrams are in 1 gram? 100. Which tree survives fires with thick bark? Coast redwood. Which language is sometimes written vertically? Japanese.